31 to 40 arithmetic questions are. Okay. What is the first one? The respective ratio between the length of the rectangle and breadth of the rectangle is 18:13. If the perimeter of a rectangle is 186 meters, then find the area of the rectangle. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? 2 of L plus B. What is the L value? 18 parts. B value 13 parts. Total 31 parts. 2 of L plus B means we return 2 into 31 parts are. That is equal to how much value? 186. Okay. 31 almost 6 times sir. 2 again 3 times sir. What is the 1 part value? 3. But we required area of a rectangle means L into B. L is how many parts? 18 parts. Nothing but 18 into 300. Breadth is how many parts? 13 parts. 13 into 3. Verify the units position. 8 3 is how much? 4. 3 3 is 9. 4 into 9 end with 6. Only one option. Next question number 32. If you are verify the 9 multiple, but in 2 options are there. First option is 9 multiple and fifth option also 9 multiple. Next question number 32. The respective ratio between the present age of P and Q is how much? 19:12. After 8 years, their ages will be 23:16. If the present age of R is 20 years more than the present age of P, what is the present age of R? Okay. Verification also possible, direct method also possible. What is the present difference? 7 parts. Future difference 7 parts are. Present difference 7 parts, future also difference are 7 parts. Equal difference are. Then directly take the parts are. Present how many parts P? 19 parts. After 8 years 23 parts. How many parts are increased? 4 parts. That 4 parts are 8 years. Every 1 part 2 years. The 19 parts 38 years are. It is P present age, but we required R value or not. R is how many years more than the P? 20 more. Then answer 58. Out of the options 20 are subtracted, that value must be divisible by 19 or not. 77 minus 20, it is how much? 57. It is multiple of 19 or not. Next 58 minus 20, it is 38. It is also multiple of 19 or not. More than one option or not. Next question number 33. The average runs scored Rahul in 12 matches is 45 runs. He scored runs in singles and doubles is 92. The respective ratio of the number of 4s and 6s is 7:6. Then how many runs did he score in 6s? Okay. First total how many matches? 12 matches. What is the 12 matches average? 45. Sum 12 into 45. How much? 540. Okay. Out of 540, 92 are made from singles and doubles. Then 540 minus 92. Then remaining value are 4s and 6s. Yes or no? 540 minus 92. What is the difference? 448. That 448 is made from 4s and 6s. 4s how many parts? 7 parts. 6 are 6 parts are. 4 means it is every part 4 runs are not. Total how many parts? 7 parts. 7 into 4 into parts are not. Yes or no? Next 6s. 6 into 6 into parts are not. These two are adding, we are get the total 4s and 6s runs are not. That is equal to how many runs? 448. 7 fours means 7 into 4 are not. 7 parts 4 means written 7 parts into 4 are not. Okay. 7 4 the how much? 28. 6 6 the 36. Total it is 28 36 64. Then every 1 part equal to 448 divided by 64. How many times? 7 times or 8 times? 7 times. Then every 1 part is how much? 7. What is the question here? How many runs did he score in 6s? Nothing but we required 6 into 6 into parts are not. What is the 6 6 36. Parts nothing but 7. Then answer 36 into 7. How much? 252. Verify the 6 multiple, but 3 options are possible. 6s runs means it is 6 into 6 or not? Means it is a 9 multiple or not? Verification of the 9 multiple, first option is 9 multiple, second, third option also 9 multiple, fourth option also 9 multiple or not? Next question number 34. Anu has 9075. She decided to distribute a total amount between her two sons X and Y in the ratio of which one? 8:7. Find the how much amount X gets or not? X received how many parts? 8 parts out of 15 parts or not? 8 by 15 of which value? 9075 or not? 15 how many times? 6 times. Again 0, 5 or not? 8 into 605. 4840 or not? 4840. Next question number 35. A and B together can complete 20% of the work in how many days? 9 days. While B and C together can complete the work in how many days? 60 days. B alone can complete the work in how many days? 120 days. What is the question here? Time taken by A and C together can complete the whole work or not? Okay. First 20% is completed by A and B. How much time are taken? 9 days. Means total work is completed by A and B. How much time are taken? 45 days or not? 45 days. A and B together can complete the whole work in how many days? 45 days. Next, B and C together can complete the whole work in how many days? 60 days or not? Next, only B alone in how many days? 120 days or not? One is 45, another one 60, another one 120. What is the LCM of 45, 60, 120? 120, 360. 360. LCM is how much? 360. Total work is how much? 360. A and B together in 45 days means A and B efficiency 8 or not? B and C together 60 days means B and C efficiency 6 parts or not? Only B alone 120 days means B efficiency 3 parts or not? Okay. Only B efficiency is how many parts? 3 parts. But B plus C efficiency 6 parts means C efficiency 3 parts or not? A plus B efficiency 8 parts. In that B efficiency 3 parts means A efficiency 5 parts or not? Yes or no? What is the question here? A and C together can complete the work or not? What is the total work? 360. It is completed by A and C or only A? A and C. What is the A and C together efficiency? 8 or not? 360 by 8. How many days? 45 days or not? We required time. Time nothing but work by efficiency or not? Next question number 36. Monthly income of Ganesh is 60,000 and his monthly expenditure is 48,000. Next month his income and savings are decreased by 20% and 25% respectively. Find the percentage increase or decrease in his monthly expenditure. What is the income value? 60,000. Expenditure 48,000. What is the ratio? 5:4. What is the meaning? Out of 5 parts income, how many parts are expenditure? 4 parts. Remaining 1 part savings are not. Okay. Income is how many parts? 5 parts. Expenditure 4 parts. Savings 1 part are not. Only income is decreased by how much percent? 20%. Then we return minus 20% of 5 parts or 4 parts? 5 parts. Savings are decreased by how much percent? 25%. Then we return minus 25% of 1 part or 4 parts? 1 part. But we required decreased percent or increased percent in which one? Expenditure or not? Okay. Income decreased, savings decreased means obviously expenditure also decreased or not? What percent of how many parts? 4 parts are left hand side decreased value that is equal to right hand side decreased value or not? Yes or no? Left hand side income, right hand side expenditure plus saving or not? Okay. First left hand side percentage, right hand side percentage cancel or not? 20 into 5 how much? 100. It is minus 100. But right hand side it is minus 25. It will become plus 25. Minus 100 plus 25 means minus 75. Then something it is equal to minus 75 by 4 or not? Yes or no? 4 how many times? 18 times. What is the remaining? 3. 3 by 4 means 0.75%. Decrease or increase? Decrease. Which option? First one. Equality concept or not? Next question number 37. The speed of the downstream is 66 2 by 3% more than the which one? Speed of the upstream. If the boat covers a distance of 120 kilometers in upstream in 10 hours, find the speed of the upstream or not? Okay. First, what is the distance in upstream? 120. Time are 10 hours. What is the upstream speed? M minus S, that is equal to 12 or not? Yes or no? 120 kilometers in 10 hours means per hour how many kilometers are traveled? 12 kilometers. It is M minus S or M plus S? M minus S means upstream speed or downstream speed? Upstream speed. But downstream speed compared to upstream speed how much percent or more? 66 2 by 3% more. Means 2/3 more or 2/3? 2/3 more. What is the 2/3 of 12? 8. 2/3 of 12 means 8. Then M plus S it is equal to how much? 20 or not? What is the 2/3 of 12? 8. 12 plus 8, 20 or not? Upstream speed is 12, downstream speed are 20. But required speed of the stream, both are adding by 2 or subtracting by 2? Subtracting by 2. S means both are subtracting by 2. M means both are adding by 2. 12 plus 20, 12 and 20 difference are 8. By 2 means 4 or not? Next question number 38. Mukesh invested a certain sum of money at compound interest at 20% per annum for 1.5 years at semi-annually. Find the sum if interest obtained by him is 1,986. What is the per annum rate of person? 20%. Time period are given 1.5 years. But interest will be calculated annually or semi-annually? Semi-annually. In 1.5 year, how many semi-annuals? 3 or not? Semi-annually means how many months? 6 months. In 1.5 year, how many 6 months are there? 3 6 months or only 1? 3 6 months or not? What is the 1 year rate of person? 20%. Then 6 months rate of person? 10%. 10% how many times we need? 3 times or not? 10% for 3 times, what is the compound interest? 33.1% or not? 33.1%. First 6 months, next 6 months and last 6 months. First 6 months 10%, next 6 months 10% plus 10% of 10% or not? Last 6 months 10% plus 10% of first 6 months interest plus 10% of second 6 months interest or not? All these are adding, we are getting how much percent? 33.1%. Okay, that 33.1% equal to how many rupees are given? 1986. 1986. Almost how many times? 6 times or not? What is the answer? 6,000. We required sum. Sum means how much percent we need? 100%. The answer is 6,000 or 600? 6,000. Directly how many times? 60 times or not? I think 10% for 3 times compound interest basic concept or not? 10% for 2 times, what is the compound interest? 21%. Next question number 39. Mahesh spent 25% of his monthly income on rent, 30% on food, 20% of the income he saves or not? And if the difference between his savings and expenditure on food is 1800, then find his expenditure of rent or not? What is the food percentage? 30%. Savings 20%. Difference 10%. That is equal to how many rupees? 1800 or not? Okay. We required which one? Rent. How much percent we need? 25%. 10% 1800. Then 5% 900 and 5% 900 means 25%. 4500. 18 means 9 multiple. Answer is 9 multiple. Next question number 40. The population of a city after 3 years will be how much? 21,600. If the rate of increase of population per year 20%, find the present population of the city or not? Okay. It is successive increased concept or decreased concept? Increased concept. Every year how much percent are increased? 20%. What is the successive increased concept? One is initial value, another one final value. And here final value are given or initial value are given? Final value. We required initial value or not? Okay. What is the percentage here? 20%. Fraction 1 by 5. Out of 5 parts, how many parts are increased? 1 part or not? Okay. Then final value is how many parts? 6 parts. Initial value 5 parts or not? How many years are given? 3 years. Then we return power 3 or power 1? Power 3. If it is 1 year, we return power 1. If it is 3 years, we return power 3. What is the 6 cube? 216. What is the 5 cube? 125. In place of 216, how much value are given? 21,600. We required 125 parts. What is the answer? 12,500. Successive increase or decreased? Increased. 216 parts 21,600, then 125 parts is how much? 12,500. Next question number 41. Simplifications. What is the 25%? Nothing but 1 by 4. 30% of 840 means percentage 2 zeros are cancelled. 4 how many times? 84. 21 into 3 or not? How much? 63 plus 5 into which one? 76. Nothing but 10 times half value or not? What is the 10 times of 76? 760. Half means 380 or not? Both are adding 443. Next question number 42. Verify the last 2 digits or not? Okay. Plus 56 minus 56 cancel or not? Yes or no? Next 45 plus 35 minus 23 or not? First 35 minus 23. 12. 12 plus 45. 57. End with 57 or not? How many options? 2 options or not? Then verify the last 2 third digit or not? Last 2 third digit. 4 minus 6 minus 2. Minus 2 plus 8 plus 6. Plus 6 plus 5. 11. 11 minus 3. 8. Answer should end with 857. Only one option. That is first one or not? Next question number 43. First left hand side 64, right hand side 64, cancel or not? Or the right hand side 2 power something or not? Means left hand side also converted to 2 power something. Already numerator in left hand side we are getting 2 power 15 and denominator 256 or not? 256 means it is 16 square or not? 16 square means it is 2 power 4 whole power 2 or not? Nothing but 2 power 8. Then answer 2 power 7. Something nothing but 7. Actually 2 power 7 equal to 2 power something. Then something value is how much? 7. Next question number 44. First priority right hand side value or not? What is the right hand side bracket value? 55 divided by 11. almost how many times? 5 times. 5 5s are 25. Then right hand side bracket value total is how much? 25. Next, square root of 361 means 19. Next, 3990 divided by 57. First 57, almost how many times? 7 times or not? Nothing but 70 or not? 70 plus 19, 89, minus 25, 64. It is square of which one? 8. Right hand side value becomes left hand side negative or positive? Negative. Next question number 45. First priority right hand side value or not? 3 square into which one? 25. What is the 3 square? 9. 9 into 25? 225. Next, 28% of which one? 200 or not? Percentage 2 zeros are cancelled or not? What is the remaining value? 28.5 into 2 or not? Nothing but 57. Plus 57 becomes minus 57. Subtracting 15 minus 7, 8. 21 minus 5, 16 or not? It is 168. What percent of 480? It is equal to 168 or not? Okay. 168 is 7 multiple. How many options are 7 multiples? 2 options or not? Okay. 168 is what percent of which one? 480 into 100 or not? What is the 10% of 480? 48. 30%? 144 or not? The answer must be more than 30% or less than 30%? More than 30%. Then obviously fifth one or first one? Fifth one. I think is by half into 100 concept or not? Next question number 46. First priority bracket value or not? What is the 2 cube? 8. 7 square? Total 57. Divide by 2 into 3 or not? Okay. 3 into 57. 171 by 2 or not? Means it is half of the 171 or not? How much? 85.5. 47. First priority square root of 12.25 or not? 12.25. It is which one square? Actually 1225 35 square. Means written 3.5. 3.5 means it is 7 by 2 or not? 2 how many times? 18. 9 times. 7 9s are 63. Minus 6 square? 36. Minus 2 or not? Okay. 36 to 38 or not? 63 and 38 difference 25. It is which one square? 5 square or not? Next question number 48. One is the numerator value, another one are denominator or not? Okay. First we are adding the numerator values. 50 plus 25, 75. 13 plus 16, 29. It is 2975 by 25 plus 65, 90. 6 plus 5, 11. It is 1190 or not? Okay. What is the one time of 1190? 1190. 2 times 2380 or not? Means a numerator must be more than 2 times or not? Okay. More than 2 times means first one not possible or not? But less than 3 times or not? Answer must be 2.5. Greater than 2 times but less than 3 times. 3 into 1190 means it must be more than 3300 or not? Next question number 49. What is the right hand side value? What percent of 150? But right hand side value written something into 3 by 2 or not? Yes or no? Next, left hand side, what is the denominator value? Cube root of 64. Means it is 4 or not? Okay. Numerator 6, denominator 4. This one written 3 by 2 or not? Yes or no? Next, left hand side 3 by 2, right hand side 3 by 2, both are cancelled or not? What is the remaining value? Square root of 625. What is the answer? 25. If anyone confusion, square root of 625 by 4 into 6, that is equal to something into 3 by 2 or not? Cancel or not? Next question number 50. First priority 15 into 26 or not? 15 into 26, nothing but 10 times plus 5 times or not? What is the 10 times? 260. 5 times 130. Total it is 390 or not? 390 plus 310. 700 minus, what is the 15 square? 225. Subtracting or adding? Subtracting. What is the remaining value? 475. 475, it is equal to 20% of something or not? 20% means written 1 by 5 or not? 1 by 5 into something. Means answer is 475 into how many times? 5 times or not? End with 5 or 4? 5. But how many options? 3 options or not? But it is nearby 2500 or not? Which option? First option or not? Or something must be multiple of 5 or not? First verify the 5 multiple. How many options? 3 options. In that, which one is the nearby 2500? Only first one or not? Because 475 means it is closer to 500 or not? 500 into 5 times it is nearby 2500 value, but less than 2500. Next 51. First priority square root of 625 or not? What is the square root of 625? 25 into 9. How much? 225 plus what is the 35 square? 1225 plus how much value? 150 or not? 225 plus 1225, 1450 or not? 1450 plus 150, 1600. It is which one square? 40 square or not? Next question number 52. First priority 9800 divided by 56 or not? Okay. First 9800 divided by 56 into 666 divided by 18 or not? First 6 how many times? Numerator 1, 1, 1 or not? Denominator 3 times or not? 3 again how many times? 37 times or not? 37 times. Next 9800. It is 14 multiple or not? 14 sevens are how much? 98. It is 700 by 14 how many times? 4 times or not? 700 by 4 means it is 175 or not? 175 into how much value? 37. 175 into 37. Okay. 175 into 37. 37 into 100 times 3700. 37 into 7 times 2590 or not? 7 30s 210. 7 7s are 49. 2590. 37 5 times 185 or not? 185. Values are adding. 90 plus 85, 175. 1 carrier, not? 7 plus 7, 14. 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. 6 4 7 5. In this one how much value are subtracting? 6 4 5 0. What is the remaining? 25. It is which one square? 5 square or not? ఇప్పటి వరకు వచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్లో ఇది ఒకటే కదా, కొంచెం లిటిల్ బిట్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఉంది. 53. 76% of 125. 25 5 times, 25 4 times or not? Percentage means 100 or not? 25 4 times, 25 5 times. 4 how many times? 76. 19 times or not? 19 5 is how much? 95 minus 85% of which one? 560. 85% means we are consider 100% minus 15% or not? Okay, what is the 100% value? 560. 10%, 56, 5%, 28, means 15% value 84. Then 560 minus 84 or this one we return minus 560 minus of minus plus 84 or yes or no? Next, plus 13 into something, it is equal to 61 or 61. First 95 and 84, what is the difference? 95 plus 84, sum is how much? 179 minus 560, actually 13 into something, it is equal to 61 plus 560 minus 179. Yes or no? 560 plus 61, 621. In this one, how much value are subtracting? 179. What is the difference? 11 minus 9, 2. 61 minus 17, 44. That is equal to 13 into something or not? 13 how many times? 3 times. Again 4 times or not? It is 34. వెరిఫికేషన్ చేయడానికి కూడా పాసిబిలిటీ లేదు. ఓకేనా? నార్మల్గా అయితే స్టెప్స్ ఎక్స్ట్రా రాశాను అంతే తేడా. నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్? 34. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 54. మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ ఆర్ గివెన్ అన్నట్టు. 2 1/9 means 19/9. 1 2/19 means 21/19. And third one 2 1/3. It is written as 3/7. Division becomes multiplication. 7 how many times? 3 times. 3 3s are 9. Get cancelled. 19 also cancelled. Means these three values equal to how much? 1. 1 minus half plus 1 and half. That is equal to something. Okay. 1 minus half means half. Plus 1 and half means 2. Which option? Second one. Next question number 55. చేయాల్సిన టైం వేస్ట్ అంతా 53 దగ్గర చేసాము. మళ్ళీ 54 దగ్గర కూడా అలానే వేస్ట్ చేస్తే అర్థమవుతుంది అనుకుంటా. క్వశ్చన్ బట్టి చేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలి ప్యాటర్న్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 55. Square root of something into 12 minus 26% of which one? 1650 plus 19, that is equal to 13 into 34. First priority right hand side value. 13 into 30, 390. 13 4 the 52. 390 plus 52, 442. Next, minus 26% of 1650. Okay, means 25% plus 1%. Yes or no? What is the 100% value? 1650. 50%, 825. 50% 825 means 25%. 4 1 2.51. Okay, again how much percent we are adding? 1%. What is the 1%? 16.5. Total it is 429. 429. Left hand side it is minus 429. It will become right hand side plus 429. Means these two are adding or subtracting? Adding. 429 plus 442, it is 871. In this one how much value are subtracting? 19. What is the remaining? 852. It is divided by which one? 12. 12 how many times? 7 1. What is the 71 square? 5041. Because it is more than 70 square or less than 70 square? More than 70 square. Then answer must be more than 4900. How much? 5041. Next question number 56. Table are given. First college ABCD dancers and painters are given. every college dancers and painters. What is the first question? What is the average number of dancers in all the colleges together? Average number of dancers in all the colleges. First we are adding all the values. 420 plus 500, 920. 920 plus 920, 1840. Divide by 4. How much? 460. 460. Half of the 184, 92. Half of the 92, 46. Next question number 57. Ratio between the painters in college A and C together and number of dancers in college D. Painters in A and C. Or the A painters 200, C painters 360. Total it is 560. It is 14 multiple and also 7 multiple or not? How many options are start with either 7 multiple or 14 multiple? Only one or not? Only second option. Next question number 58. If 25% of the dancers from college A is added to which one? College C. Find the total number of dancers and painters from college C. Out of the dancers from college A, what are the college A dancers? 420. In the 25%, 105. That 105 is added to which one? C value or not? Already C value total how much? 760. 760 plus how much value you are adding? 105. What is the answer? 865. Next question number 59. The number of dancers from college B and C together is what percent more than the number of painters from college C and D together or not? Dancers B and C together. What are the dancers in B? 500. C 400. Total it is 900. And C and D together painters 360 plus 440. Total it is 800 or not? What is the ratio? 9:8. How many parts are more? One part. 1 upon 8. 1 by 8 means 12.5%. Next question number 60. What is the difference between the number of painters from college A and B together, A and D together, and the number of dancers from college B and D together? Painters A and D together 200 plus 440. How much? 640. Next, dancers B and D together. Or the B dancers 500, D dancers 520. Total it is 1020. What is the difference? 380 or not? Next question number 61. Number series 20 and 36. What is the difference? 16. 36 and 56. 20. 56 and 80. 24. Next one 28. Obviously next one 32. What is the answer? 140. 16, 24 difference. 20, 24 also 4 difference. Common difference are 4 or not? Next question number 62. What is the difference between 112.5 and 137.5? How much? 25. 137.5, 187. 50 or not? 187.5 and 287. 100 or not? 25 double 50, 50 double 100. 100 double 200. These, what is the answer? 487.5. Next question number 63. What is the first one difference? Second one? Third one? Next one? Obviously next one. What is the answer? 45. Alternatively 6 and 7 are not. Next question number 64. 12.5 to 100, almost 8 times or not? 100 to 400, 4 times. 400 to 800, 2 times. Into 8, into 4, into 2. Next one, into 1. Answer 800. Next one, into half or not? 800 into half means 400. Next one, into 1 by 4. 100 or not? What is the answer? 800 or 400? Next question number 65. 327, 326, almost one timer into 1 minus 1 or 164 to 327, almost 2 times or minus 1 or plus 1, minus 1. 55 to 164, almost 3 times minus 1 or into 1 into 2 into 3, means obviously here into 4 minus 1, and first one into 5 minus 1 or 3 5s are how much? 15 minus 1 14, 14 4s are 56 minus 1 55, and answer 14 or